Restorative Justice for All International Institute is proud of represent Restoring Communities project. Restoring Communities focuses on our SE16 neighborhood. This area covers Rotherhithe, part of Bermondsey and Surrey Keys. SE16 is also known as one of the most diverse areas in England, with 45% of the population being Black, Asian or minority ethnic. It has also experienced a lot of changes in this demographic. From being a dog-focused community, SE16 is now changing with worrying levels of community tension and inequality, with some residents living in communities ranking the 20% most income-deprived in England. Just a few weeks ago, on the 16th of October, a teenager was stabbed in plain sight in the middle of a shopping centre at noon. We were shocked to hear about this incident. However, this is not an isolated attack. The area of Canada Water and Surrey Keys have reported persistent presence of antisocial behaviour. Last week, victims in the Canada Water area came out to speak about how they've had to change their day-to-day lives in order to avoid a group of teenagers on bikes who have been terrorizing passers-by in Rotherhithe and Surrey Keys for several months. The area has also been majorly impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, and complaints about antisocial behavior increased substantially. At RJ4ALL, we have witnessed the wide inequalities within the community through our projects. As an example, we have our COVID-19 campaign. Since April 2020, we have been working on the ground to help local families in need with free PPE and food, online competitions and free educational and entertainment resources, as well as providing them with emotional and mental health support through a free helpline and an anonymous chat room. With Restoring Communities, we want to transform SE16 and empower its community. We want to achieve this by working sustainably, in partnership with other organizations that work in the area, and in a community-led manner, listening to our neighbors and young people living in SE16. So, what do we want to achieve? We will use a Rotherhithe Community Centre at the heart of SE16. Here is where the magic will happen. We will organize indoors and outdoor activities that engage the local community. We will offer high-quality educational opportunities and after-school activities for young people. RJ4ALL also organizes periodical workshops with children, like the Culture and Art for the Square Mile. Restoring Communities will improve the relationship and trust between residential and local organizations. As an example, last March, RJ4ALL organized a Speak Up Community Forum to discuss the future of SE16 with neighbors and decision makers. Restoring Communities will build stronger community networks by developing locally tailored programs of action. In line with this long-standing ethos, RJ4ALL's Waters for Youth Matters Youth-led project uses the values of restorative justice to provide opportunities for young people, reducing loneliness and building relationships. Restoring Communities will work with local people so that they are able to realize their aspirations and potentials.